Chapter 8 of The Kite Runner delves deeply into the aftermath of Hassan's traumatic assault, unfolding the emotional and psychological torment that plagues both Hassan and Amir, albeit in significantly different ways. Amir, burdened with guilt and unable to confront what he witnessed, finds himself increasingly alienated from Hassan. Despite Hassan's attempts to maintain normalcy in their interactions and daily routines, there's an undeniable rift between them, marked by silence and avoidance. Ali, sensing something profoundly wrong, confronts Amir with questions regarding Hassan's sudden change in behavior. Amir feigns ignorance, distancing himself further from the truth and the people he loves. Desperate for an escape, Amir proposes a trip to Jalalabad, mistakenly believing that physical distance from Kabul might also distance him from his guilt. Baba, ever enthusiastic for bonding opportunities, transforms the trip into a larger excursion, inviting numerous friends and inadvertently amplifying Amir's discomfort, especially in the company of Rahim Khan, who remains conspicuously quiet. Amir's internal struggle takes a toll on his physical well-being, manifesting as car sickness during their journey. However, his illness runs deeper, rooted in his acknowledgement of the darkness within himself, likening himself to the monster in Hassan's dream. This realization poisons his moments of success and achievement, rendering them empty. The strained relationship between Amir and Hassan continues to deteriorate when Amir, in a desperate bid for punishment and perhaps redemption, cruelly pelts Hassan with pomegranates, hoping Hassan would retaliate. Hassan's response, however, is to hurt himself instead, highlighting his unwavering loyalty and submission, which only serves to deepen Amir's remorse and self-loathing. During a lavish birthday party thrown by Baba, Amir further experiences the dichotomy of his external success and internal despair. Asef's gift, a biography of Hitler, and his respectful demeanor towards adults starkly contrast with his covert malevolence, mirroring the internal battle within Amir between societal expectations and personal morality. Rahim Khan's gesture of giving Amir a notebook for his stories offers a glimmer of understanding and acceptance. Yet it does little to alleviate Amir's burden of guilt. The chapter poignantly explores themes of guilt, the longing for redemption, and the complex web of relationships that define and often dictate our actions and reactions. Through Amir's eyes, the readers are exposed to the profound effects of betrayal and the arduous journey towards forgiveness, both of oneself and of others. And as always, if you liked this video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below.